Hold on, let's get some water real quick. Yo, what is going on, you guys? What's going on, YouTube? Your boy Gally Law, back again in your TV screens, iPhone screens once again. And today I got something light, nothing too crazy. I've been stacking up some pickups for a while. Oh, I gotta do those too. I've been stacking up some pickups for a while now, and yeah, like it's not too much. I thought it was a lot more, but I'm not gonna showcase everything just because a lot of them are not for the fall and winter, but they are pickups regardless. But I mean, they're not really too crazy. They're like some jerseys or, you know, just some regular tees and stuff like that. But I'm really just gonna showcase the main, the bangers, really, like, you know, the good items per se. But before we go ahead and get into the actual pickups, I also got some unboxing to do as well, just like 2 items, nothing crazy. But yeah, before we go ahead and get into the main video, if you guys don't mind, go ahead and leaving a like on the video, sharing, subscribing, hitting the noti bell. Yeah, obviously sharing the video, getting the algorithms booming. You already know how that go. Also, if y'all want to follow me on IGs or the Twitters, everything in the description below, y'all know what to do. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so I quickly want to start with the first couple of items. The first couple of items that I'm going to showcase were vintage. I went to a thrift shop and I actually picked them up in person. So first item I want to showcase is these Adidas sweatpants in purple. Cool little vibe, a little pair of sweatpants for the fall winter season, just to throw around the house or just doing regular chores whatsoever. So yeah, you know, just standard Adidas track pants, nylon for the most part, very meshy, so you really hear a lot of that movement going around. You're not doing no stealth missions with these. Standard logo, purple, like I said, 3 stripes at the bottom. And it also has zippers at the bottom ankle area, so you could, you know, unzip them and, you know, kind of have a more flare look, you know, if you're into that, which I'm into that, and that's another reason why I picked them up too. Yeah, that is the first item I got, a vintage item. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, the next one is kind of fire, bro. Like, I can't believe, well, it's not too crazy, but the fact that I, you know, got it at the thrift shop, you know, for like probably like $5 or something like that is a steal. I kind of want to shout out the place where I got it too. I think I got that from Vintage Supply, that is in Texas, and then I got this one from, okay, no, let me correct that. I don't know where I actually got those from. It's some thrift shop locally, but this item, I know I got it from Vintage Supply. I'm gonna leave most of their like information in the description below. But yeah, so this green Gap hoodie I got from Vintage Supply. That is the vintage store it's called, and you know, it was buzzing around the city. I went and looked at it. It's basically just a warehouse with a bunch of different carts full of clothes. Each crate is marked with different items, such as, you know, one crate may have straight jeans, one other crate may have, you know, vintage tees or graphic tees, and then another one may have jackets or sweaters or things of that nature. So I went with one of my homeboys. One of my homeboys was digging in the trenches. I'm not gonna lie, it smelled horrible in there, but what do you expect? It is a thrift shop, and yeah, I don't know what caught my attention, and I just really liked it. Luckily, it was a large, so it really fit me to the T. Just a standard Gap hoodie. It's got the Gap logo print in the front, which is in blue. Drawstrings, regular hoodie, nothing crazy. And yeah, just a great pickup for the fall winter season. It's a cozy little hoodie, so you don't gotta go too crazy on the outfits, or you can. But yeah, that is item number 2. Let's go ahead and move on to the next pickups. Okay, so the next pickups are, again, they come in a bundle. Copped 1 pair first just to test out, see how it's looking. I liked it. Cop the other pair, and it is these jeans, super baggy jeans from Pull & Bear, I think it's called. Yeah, Pull & Bear jeans. That is the clothing brand. I have been looking for a solid pair of baggy jeans, denim, raw denim, for a while, you know, and these are raw denim, and this light wash, very Balenciaga ish, very, you know, Acne Studios is, just without, you know, spending the bank. These ran me about like $60 tops. I can't remember off the top of my head, but yeah, great pair of denim, man. Super wide. I am gonna put them in the description below. I don't think they sold out, and if they did, they do tend to restock. Definitely keep an eye on this website if you are in looks for a baggy pair of jeans that, you know, you can style with boots or just wider cuts in general. So yeah, ended up copping this one first. I fell in love with it from the moment I put them on, so I decided to get me a black pair, and a black pair, again, has that ashy sort of finish to it, has the wrinkles, has the whiskers per se, and very little distressing, not too much distressing at all, which is what I was looking for. I have a lot of jeans with a lot of distressing and kind of wanted to, you know, shy away from that. So I decided to get these on a regular, and you know, that super baggy fit is what I'm really into right now and just really fits my wardrobe as a whole. So yeah, definitely a solid pair of jeans that I recommend anybody get into. And yeah, I was definitely in the market for a, again, wide pair of jeans, and I didn't want to break the bank on Balenciaga or Acne Studios pairs. So I opted to, you know, put a trigger on these Pull & Bear. I don't know how I came across it, but thank God I did, and here we are today, man, rocking Pull & Bear, bro, and recommend it to you guys. So yeah, that is that, and let's go ahead and move on to the next items. Next pair of items, like I said, I did stock up on some jerseys, not because the trend is there, I don't even know if it's still there, but I'm a big soccer fan, so I decided to get some jerseys. Boom. Ended up copping a couple jerseys. I got this Barca one. They're not full authentic. They're like semi-authentic. Is what I like to call them. And yeah, so I'm a big Barca fan, and I really like the Chelsea home kit without the logo. So I like the little shiny logo they got with the Nike, and yeah, just overall clean jersey that you could wear with a lot of things. Definitely in the winter and fall, I definitely plan on, like, you know, putting a thermal under it and still rocking it outside. Probably maybe a hoodie. It is more of a tighter fit, so that's probably gonna be a no-go. But yeah, definitely need to cop myself some jerseys. I really like, I'm a huge soccer fan, but I don't have too many jerseys. So yeah, decided to give me some jerseys. I'm definitely going to get some more. You can definitely honestly get any jerseys from anywhere, to be honest. I really am looking for some more retro ones. I did cop a Italy one. Unfortunately, it is in the laundry. It's in the dirty clothes right now, but I did cop an Italy one. It was like a retro Italy one. It's got Del Piero as the name in the back, and I got it from Grailed. So you know, there's a lot of different sources where you can get jerseys from. You know, I just wanted something updated, so I opted for these. You know, I am definitely looking to upgrade my jersey collection and get up on the board with that. But yeah, with that being said, let's go ahead and move on to the next items. Okay, so the next item, again, staying on with the jersey conversation, it's a great segue into this jersey right here that I got off of Urban Outfitters. Believe it or not, I didn't know Urban Outfitters had this type of, you know, this type of garments or pieces in their locker. But yeah, these like football / hockey type jerseys. The aesthetic, I've definitely been keeping an eye on it for a while. Boom, I went into Urban Outfitters, just, you know, going to the mall, and I saw this one in one of the mannequins. They didn't have a medium at all. This one was the one in the mannequin. Nothing crazy, just a regular 00 on the front with the number, the football jersey, obviously. I'm definitely looking to expand my football jerseys and hockey jersey collection. Yeah, that is the football jersey that I got from Urban Outfitters. Yeah, let's go ahead and move on to the next item. Okay, so the next item I briefly talked about in the last video. It is this tank top from them boys over there at BALLA. Yeah, I showcased one of their pictures from their Instagram in a video they had showcased to, you know, promote this tank top. And yeah, man, I really liked how they dropped this cool little tank top. I've just been looking for, I've always had that chrome heart tank top stuck in my head, and I've never had a good replacement to fill that gap in, and I saw this, and it was kind of reminiscent of that. It's not your typical tank top either. It's definitely a much more thick layered tank top that definitely holds its own, very weighty, very thermal like as well. In the back, it's got another graphic which says dial 1-800-BALLA to report a wife beater, you know, on the wife beater and whatnot. Double entendre, you know what I'm saying? And then on the inside, they got their standard logo as well with the size tag up at the top. Nothing more I can say about this, you know, just a standard white tank top. And yeah, man, BALLA boys taking over the world. Let's move on to the next item. Okay, and for the final, I believe this is the final clothing piece that I got, other than the bottoms, which most of the bottoms are unboxing. So actually, I got one more clothing piece that's an unboxing. So this is a piece off of Coney Island Picnic, which I'm not too hip at all until I did my research on one of the clothing brands. I just went into Nordstrom or Saks a while ago to the mall, and I just so happened to, you know, just be shopping for some graphics. Got pointed to the graphic section, and I ran into this brown Coney Island Picnic hoodie. I would say it is a standard fit, drop shoulder just a tad bit, not too boxy, but you know, in the back obviously you got your nice oversized hoodie, which we like. And then if you pop that up, you got another graphic on the back, kind of in a grass print with a statue on the side and a flower. I believe it says Avant Gardening. I don't know what it is about the brown and the green that just captivated me, that I just had to get it, man. I felt like I could match this with a lot of things. Yeah, that basically caught my eye and that did it for me. That's the main reason why I copped it in the first place. On the inside, you got a standard Coney Island picnic tag. Overall, just a great fit, man. Never really knew about this brand until I actually got put on. That is my last pickup outside of the unboxing. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. This one, I kind of lied. This one isn't unboxed, but I haven't worn them yet. I just got them out of the box just because I needed to know what sizing I am, just because these are a crazy pickup that I never expected to ever get. The only reason I got them is because shout out Jaden Grundy. He made a video on these pair of boots a while back. So I ended up getting these in a size 10. They were on sale. They were 40% off. So, you know, they were like 45, 50. So boom, ended up copping them. So these are the Crush Crocs boots, retailing at $79.99, which is $80. I got these at 40%. Really wanted to know my size, so I opted just to get these because they were on sale. Yes, obviously they're super bold green, and I don't know what it is about this. Most of these pickups, most of the items are green, and I realized that like after I got these, I was like, I don't know what's up with green, but green has been taking over my life low-key lately. Fit me pretty well, not going to lie, fit me pretty well. They fit better with double socks. I think I might do a 9. Initially, I wanted the black ones, which is the ones Jaden Grundy referred to on the video, the black ones, and they look pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie, they remind me a lot of the Bottega Veneta joints, especially in that green. And yeah, if you want something, you know, just out there, out of the blue, crazy looking, I'll definitely recommend these Crocs Crush boots. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into the last items. The last items are, you know, boxed up, so I'm gonna have to do an unboxing for them. I'm gonna leave the most hyped item for the last because I'm definitely excited to get those out of here. But yeah, this next item is from Mr. Forrest. I never know how to actually pronounce his name. It's like Forrest Ripperton or something like that. But yeah, I've been following him for a minute. I've been following his YouTube, you know, his progress to now, which he has, you know, created his own clothing brand, which is called I'm Happy I Promise, I'm Happy Promise, IHP abbreviated. And I've seen it take off, and I've seen the pieces he has and the ideas he brings to the table are very different, very creative, and I could definitely get behind them because, you know, they're on the same kind of wavelength as me. So I've been seeing this shirt that is double layered with the long sleeve in the back, and he had it in a green, I believe he had it in a red, and a, what was the other color, bro? Black. I opted to get the red one just because I've seen a lot of people with the green. Decided to get the red one just on some different vibe, and also because I saw that I had a lot of green already, so I was like, man, let me just get a red, bro, because I really am lagging on the red department. Decided to opt for the red isolation layered tee, Isolation Homestar. And yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it, man. Boom. Cool little standard packaging, nothing crazy. I opted to get in a large just because these do run pretty cropped from what I saw, and I think I made the right choice. So yeah, as you guys can see, he's got the regular tee, super crop graphic in the front, isolation with the star, and then it says Homestar in the bottom. Got it in the red. As you guys can see, he's got that layered, oh, he got that double layered in the bottom, in the back of the shirt, and it actually goes pretty deep in the sleeve. I'm surprised. I thought it was just like, you know, on the edge, but got the cool little I'm Happy Promise standard logo on top of the collar with the sizing there, which is a large. And as you guys can see, it is pretty cropped. I've seen a lot of different posts from a lot of different people. I just really love the way it fits in your body. I love the double layerness to the tee. Don't really see that too often. I haven't really seen that too often. Very thick garment, man. Does have a lot of weight to it, and I like that the sleeves overlap the bottom of the tee as well. But overall, I am very happy, and yeah, just can't wait to put it on. I really don't know how it looks on me just yet. This is the first time looking at it, but off of first initial thoughts, I'm very happy with how it looks. Can't wait to get a fit pick going, man. Other than that, let's go ahead and move on to the next brand. I'm sorry, I keep on saying next brand, I mean next item. The next item is a big boy. The next item is surprisingly a pair of shoes. You know, I'm not too much of a shoe head, but I dibble and dabble in shoes here and there, you know what I'm saying? I was just randomly, I got out the gym and I was watching Rafi Collects. Rafi Collects is a YouTuber who, you know, does live streams on drops Nikes, from, you know, everything. And I just so happened to see these Cactus Fleece 2 dropping, and I saw this picture of YABOI rocking them. And I was like, dang, the check looks so crazy, like the check popping out and stuff. I was like, yo, these kind of look crazy. And it also reminded me of the Balenciaga runner, Balenciaga track runner, the Balenciagas that got like, looks like it's got tire tread in the bottom. And I've always wanted those Balenciagas, man, but I just never put a trigger on them. So I was like, saw this opportunity to get something that looks like it. But in my opinion, I feel like it looks a little bit better just because of the Nike check and the different designs and color implementations on this pair of shoes. And yeah, that's a little backstory on how I even came up on these. And this is the official unboxing. You know, box is super clean, man. This is definitely by far one of the coolest box I got other than the off-whites. I'm normally a 10. But I heard that it's better to have a size down or size down just because they almost feel like boots. So decided to play the safe route and went for a 9.5. Hopefully, fingers crossed, they do fit me. Paper mesh in the front and bang, bang. That's the little bag they come in. Again, it's got a nice, cool little design, man. Wow, this bag is fire. Oh, they don't even come in the bag. I'm chatting, man, but yeah, this is a dope bag, bro. Like, it's got Nike Air Fleece 2. Bang, that's how they look in the box. You can see the Nike shade just sticking out, man. And I'm definitely wondering how this is how it's gonna sit while I'm outside, like in the real world, doing real world things, you know, because on paper, oh yeah, and I opted to get the green one. I feel like the black ones are just too black, and every time I'm gonna wear these is gonna be with either, you know, some shorts, some long shorts, or some oversized, you know, denim or pants. So most of it is going to be covered regardless. So I really wanted a nice little splash of color other than the black. And the sole is huge, man. Like them Crocs, man, you definitely gonna have some inches with these boys, man. I'm not gonna do a try on right now. I'm gonna do a B-roll. So first initial thoughts on just seeing the shoe, I definitely like it, man. I mean, I already knew what I was getting into. Oh, I don't know, boys, man. That's just like, it didn't take too much effort to take that off, man. If I'm keeping it up, but it's got a nice, like, it's like a marine green. It's got 2 straps in the back, different colors each one. It's got the big sole, different colors with the red and the yellow on the side. I didn't know it had this much color to it, I'm not going to lie. And then it's got the straps, Velcro on them instead of shoelaces, and it's got an extra, you know, strap in the front just to tighten it even more. Tongue has Fleet 2 on it, and it's got that Cactus Flea Market logo. And yeah, man, just overall, I'm definitely liking it. Off the bat. Let me go ahead and try them out though, real quick. I got the big steppers on, man. I think I should have got a 10. It's gonna feel a little bit snug with the socks. Oh, and it has customizable little like pendants, buttons that you could put on the shoe as well. That gives it a different look, different customization or whatnot. But yeah, overall, definitely happy with these shoes. I already knew what I was, you know, getting myself into. That's why I pulled the trigger in the first place. I wouldn't have pulled the trigger or even have attempted to get these if I didn't know what I was getting into. I was planning on reselling these at first, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and stay with them. I have a lot of use for them, and I really don't have that much sneakers, to be honest. So I don't consider this a sneaker or boot, whatever you may call it. But with that being said, that is all my pickups I have. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Very close to 500 subs. Yeah, more videos, more moments, more vibes. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.